awesome. So for today's tech tip, we got a nice little trick that we've been using for quite a while here to get our bearings in the bearing carriers. The fronts or the rears, doesn't really matter. Really any bearing on any shaft or housing or whatever you're trying to do. In this case, we've actually got a housing or a bearing carrier here that we're going to put a bearing in. So what we do is we take a little propane torch, nothing too crazy. You can use a heat gun. This obviously speeds process up a little bit. We'll heat up the bearing carrier, and then we'll take the bearing that we have. We actually keep them in the freezer and bring the bearing over here. And in theory, if it goes in nice and straight, it drops right in. So it shrinks the bearing by freezing it, expands the carrier by heating it up. When it comes back to room temperature, everything fits in there nice and tight. There's no scoring on the bearing carriers or anything. It's a really awesome tip. So if you have a chance to try it out, definitely give it a shot. Saves a lot of time.
Brandon! Where's my ice cream? Where's my ice cream? All that's in here is bearings. That's bull. Bearings in the freezer. God, I wanted an ice cream. Ugh.